Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a login or register application in Java. So for this purpose, first we will create our database and then we will create the connection. But for the database, I am using Microsoft Access. Name your file but first create the path where you want to save your file. I want to save my file on desktop. I will name it as, suppose I name it as dbase. Click OK to save and click create. Okay, come to the view option, name your table. I will name it as dbase. You can give it any name. I named it as dbase for example. Click OK. This leave it as, if you want to name it, you can name it. This will be the auto number and it is the primary key, and I will take another field as password text. You can change this data type by clicking the combo button. So I leave it as text password, and then let I take another field as city. So click on view again and click yes. So we have created our table successfully. Now we want to make its data source. So for that purpose, I have it in here, but if you want to, if you do not have it in here, you just go to the control panel and write here the data sources and you will found it. Okay, system DSN, add, select this option, click finish, name it as, I do it as it is dbase, select. Now you have to select that file for which we are going to make the data source. So where it is on desktop, users, PTCL is my username, desktop, and here it is. Just click it, double click or single click to, and then click OK. Again click OK and with it directly bar OK. For this purpose, for creating its data source, we have to close this file and now clicking OK. It is done successfully. Our data source has been created and we are done with this stage. Okay, and now we are going to make the connection class in Netbeans. I'm using Netbeans. You can use any IDE. First we have to create Java application, another project, new project. Click next. You can name it, but I leave it as it is. Click finish and our application is created. New class, let I name it as Java connection. Click finish and our class has been created. Okay, follow me as I am writing. Connection count is equal to null. Public static connection commit or db as class dot name dot jdbc dot odbc dot jdbc odbc driver sun dot jdbc dot odbc dot capital J dbc capital O dbc capital D, and full spelling is driver. Okay, connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. So we are going to mention the path of our database in here, jdbc odbc, and what was our database name? That was dbase. Okay, error is gone, and missing return statement. Okay, if there is an error in this block, so we will be prompt to a J option pane message dialog box. So null e, and now there is another error, missing return statement. Okay, again the return statement is missing, so another return statement is needed, and we are done with this class. Okay, this is return con. Fine. So take another new JFrame now. So leave it as it is. Click finish. First we will make the register part, the sign up part, and then library, and we will take another text field. city. And now button is needed as well. Register. Come to source. Here you have to declare three variables, that is connection on is equal to null and prepare statement is equal to null, and one thing more, that is result set rs equal to null. We initialize it all these three variables to null values. So this is giving an error. So add import. So it's done now, and in here we have to give value to con means connection. So we are going to make connection here just after this method. Con is equal to what was our class name where connection existed, Java connection. Make sure that you spell it right. Connection dot if our connection is successfully created, this will give us a message system.out.println connected. Okay, let's run it. So our connection has been successfully created and connected. Okay. Now click register, right click register button, action perform. String SQL equal to insert into dbase three values that we took. ID, password and city. ID will be created automatically, and we will have to only mention two variables, two text fields. Okay guys, so going back to that part, dbase, that is password and city. Password and city. Try case block is needed. Exception G and some J option can have show message null. Okay guys, now tst equal to com dot third statement. Okay, and now tst dot set string. Copy this variable name getExtfield1 and paste it in here. Get text. Copy now this variable name getExtfield2 and paste it here. Now tst dot execute. Register. Values. Since we are inserting two values, so we are making these two signs of interrogation, and this will get getExtfield1 value and this will get getExtfield2 value. Let me make it as password and make it as city. So we are done, and let's run the file. Control Shift F6. Clicking register. We are connected successfully and clicking register. So these values have been registered successfully. Come to the database file, refresh, and you can see we have inserted these two values successfully. Now we want to suppose I am from the shower, so click register and you can see another register that my password is Pakistan and city is Sadda, and click register. You can see another register value. So let's check it in the database now. Click refresh. You can see we have successfully inserted our user data. So now we are going to make the login part, and for that purpose click design. Similar is the case as text field. And another data, another level, and click the password field. This is ready. This is written the password, and a button is also needed. Login. orientation. It's now a horizontal line, so click it, and on orientation, click vertical. It will become a vertical line. Okay, so right click or double click, you can also click action perform. String is equal to select everything from dbase here. id is equal to and password is equal to make a try catch block. So pst is equal to con dot return statement. pst dot set string 1 text field 3. Click this variable name, copy this variable name and paste it in here. Get text, copy this line, paste it, true, and copy this variable name, password field 1, and paste it in here. So run the file. id is 2 and password is password, and let's check it. 2 and what do we do now? So to make sure that we are logged in successfully, click system.out.println logged in successfully. Now run the file, shift F6, 2 and password is, copy the password and paste it here. Click login. You can see we are logged in successfully. If password and ID does not match, then log in successfully again. It could be a reason. So we do another thing in here. rs equal to pst dot execute query if rs dot next system dot out dot println, and we will write log in successfully, else if id and password does not match, then system.out.println. I will paste it and will change the message in else part. Allowed and successful, and here I will mention id and password does not match. So let's run the file. Click on to and password, copy the password, click login, but first we want to see this part. If I click login, we are logged in successfully because id and password are similar as it is in the database file. But if I change the id and password, then id and password does not match. So hope you have learned something today, and please if you like my video, please click like and comment and subscribe. Thanks for now.